Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a self-care video and it's all about what I do to my face or what I have been doing or using on my skin to heal my discoloration, dark spots, dark marks, as well as hyperpigmentation. And it's from this lovely company. It's a black owned company called Essiecare, and they are an amazing all natural company which have melanin kings and queens in mind. They are absolutely amazing. I love their products. I love all of their products, but for my face I am loving this Magix cream, and you are going to understand why if you just keep watching. Okay, you are going to see the results in just 1 week. As you can see, my face was very dehydrated, very dry, so many dark marks, and it was just full of texture, you know. And these spots have been there for some time, you know, especially the dark marks. And I've tried a lot of things. Most of the time, I try to just eat healthy, but it's just there. It comes and it goes. So I am so happy that this product, just one product, was able to help me. Now I'm going to share with you another product from their range, which is their body scrub. I did try this, but I didn't use it the right way, so I don't want to dwell too much on it. I will be using it again the proper way, and I will come back and share. Now this Peep the Glow, okay, this was just using my normal products, and I wanted to just show my proper before. Literally that evening I started to use the Magix cream, and during, I think, a couple of days before I started to use the Magix cream, I started to juice, so introduce more fruits and vegetables in my diet to see if the breakouts would stop. And I noticed that the breakouts were stopping, but the dark marks were obviously still there. So I was very excited to obviously start using the Magix cream, which we will be going into more detail soon. Now this, I am sharing with you how the products come. It's in a very sturdy bubble kind of package, and I find it so sturdy, and the products are just so well packaged, and it looks like it's not going anywhere. So I was very grateful for them, for the way they packaged it. They definitely have the customer in mind. And here I'm just sharing with you how much you get in each of their products. I mean, these things are packed, or should I say filled to the brim. Like, look at that. And the consistency is so dense, okay? And on their website, it actually states that each of these products can last you between 2 to 3 months, which I think is amazing, okay? So I'm just showing you here all the 3 products and how full they all are, and they smell amazing. I'm gonna go into details in a separate video, but here I'm just showing you how I look straight from the bed. Can you see my skin, people? Look how amazing and smooth it looks. Obviously, I look very dry, and that's about to change very soon. I will have a video coming soon on some of the vegetables and fruits that I have been taking internally to heal my breakouts. But look at my dark marks. I was so happy here, but I was really trying to contain my happiness. I am so happy that, you know, this product in literally 7 days, if that, I think this was my 7th day or my 6th day. Guys, look at the texture, so smooth, and you can definitely see that my dark marks have reduced significantly. So in terms of the products that I've been using this Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. I absolutely love it. This is the tea tree version. And then once I've washed my face, I actually leave my face to air dry. I don't dry it with a towel or tea towel, anything like that. I just leave my skin to air dry, at least for a bit. And then I follow up with a good old Vaseline because the lips are dry, okay? I will actually be trying the scrub on my lips because it can be used on the lips. Obviously you've got to be very gentle, so if you want a video for that, please do let me know. But I am using the product on quite a lot of areas on my body, so be sure to hit the subscribe button to join my journey. But yes, so I use this toner by Superdrug, and it's just a glycolic acid toner, very gentle. I just use that to wipe my face and my neck to get rid of any you know, dead skin or dirt that I couldn't wash off with the tea tree. So once I've wiped that and I can tell that the cotton bud is nice and clean, I rub my fingers together and then I just press the rest of the solution into my skin. And I really just press it gently into my skin, and this just feels so amazing. Like my skincare routine literally is like it's just like a really calming and therapeutic process for me. So I definitely do take my time when I do that. Can you see, just with the toner alone, my skin literally feels and looks alive? And then I follow up with my trusty old hyaluronic acid. I love this. I'm actually going to link the details down below. A friend of mine recommended it, and it's meant to have 8 types of hyaluronic acid in it. And literally when I use this, my skin is so plump. Absolutely love it. And I've tried a lot of hyaluronic if I can talk properly. I've tried a lot of hyaluronic acids. I actually have the ordinary hyaluronic acid, which I absolutely love, and the niacinamide. However, it doesn't work well, or should I say pair well, with the Magix cream from Essiecare. So it starts to peel, but I find that this brand hyaluronic acid works great with Essiecare. That's why I love to use it. So basically I press it into my skin and then I just fan it a little bit to just really help my skin to absorb it, okay? And then I follow up with the goody Magix cream. I absolutely love this cream so much, and it's like a butter. It's just lovely, guys. And this is not all I've used on my face. As I said, I have been using it on the rest of my body, which I will be sharing with you very soon. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. As you can see, it's very much like a whipped kind of texture, and it melts so easily. And I would say I'm quite generous with it. You will understand why very soon. But yeah, I literally just put it all over my skin, and normally the heat from my skin will melt it down a bit, but I find that this day when I was recording, it was actually cold in my room, so I rubbed my finger. Oh, what is that? I rub my fingers just to warm it up, and then I really massage it into my skin. I enjoy this process so much. Here I was trying to show you that it had melted, but then it hadn't, because my skin because my room was actually quite cold and my body hadn't warmed up enough. But yes, so basically all I did is I rubbed my fingers, as in my palms, together, and then I spread it everywhere. Okay. And yes, I am looking shiny, but you will understand why very soon, so keep on watching. But yeah, I really enjoy this process of just massaging my lymph nodes. I think that's what it's called. I'm trying to drain all this water weight that is just resting on my skin, and I find that with the Essiecare, the butter just glides. Okay, it glides, and it really helps me to massage my my face very well. So that is exactly what I'm doing here. This is a great process. I actually have a jade roller as well as a is it guanshu? I'm butchering the name, I'm so sorry. I have been doing that. I have been using those tools for my skin now, not when I was doing this video, but I have a video coming up soon on that. But yes, I let it sink into my skin for about 5 minutes, and then I follow up using the back of my hands to take off any excess product. You know, just gently press it, and then just get it off your skin as much as you can. Obviously, you're not there to scrape it all off your skin, but it's just the excess, because I'm just going to be following up with the palms of my hands very soon to just press whatever is left into my skin. I know it sounds, or it looks counterproductive, but trust me, it works for me, just so that my skin is not greasy. Okay, I need it all to sink into my skin, and I find that doing this has really helped. I mean, look at it. This is just a week, people. This is just a week, and I am recording this video a week after, as in I'm doing the voiceover a week after filming this video, and I can tell you that my skin, I have not broken out, even though it's the time of the month. Happy days. Thank you. More of my journey coming very soon. Thank you. Take care and God bless. Bye.